Welcome back, guys. अब हम करेंगे work, power and energy question 17, paper 2 5054. Let's start. Question 17. A rock from space is traveling with a very high speed towards the Earth. Complete the equation for the kinetic energy of an object traveling with the speed of v. Is traveling with the speed of v and state what any other terms in the equation represent. अच्छा, first of all, kinetic energy के लिए निकालने के लिए we need to have two things which is 1 by 2 into mass which is m to v square which is the velocity square. So that is what kinetic energy is equals to. Very simple question. The mass of the rock is 0.6 kilograms. When it hits the earth, its average temperature increases by 25 degrees. Average temperature increases by 25 degrees. The specific heat capacity of the rock is 560 joules per kilogram centimeter. Okay, calculate the increase in internal energy of the rock. Internal energy के लिए हमने formula लगा लिया. This is not relevant to the topic. So I've just done the working और working करके मैंने answer निकाल लिया है, which is 8.4 into 10 raised to the power of 3. So using your answer from B1 to determine the minimum possible speed of the rock when it hits the earth. अच्छा, पहली बात हमें हमारे पास है ये what do you call it? The energy, we have energy already, right? तो हम energy हमारे पास है, हमारे पास mass भी आ गया है rock का. तो what we can find is the energy equals to 1 by 2 into m, which is 0.6 into v, which is unknown yet. V square बल्कि sorry. So what we're gonna do is 8400 2 यहाँ डिवाइड हो रहा है, वहां जाके मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2. यहाँ 0.6 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, वहां जाके डिवाइड हो जाएगा. 2 यहाँ डिवाइड हो रहा था, वहां जाके मल्टीप्लाई होगा, सॉरी. 0.6 यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, यहाँ जाके डिवाइड हो जाएगा. और ये जो वी स्क्वायर है, वी स्क्वायर को हटाने के लिए वी हैव टू अप्लाई स्क्वायर रूट ऑन बोथ साइड्स. अगर हम इस पे स्क्वायर रूट लगाएंगे तो वी गेट 167 meters per second of velocity. That is what we have calculated using the kinetic energy formula. So part 3, suggest one reason why the speed determined in B2 is less than the actual speed of the rock when it hits the earth. When it hits the earth, many of the मैंने आपको बताया है कि ideal situation में जो answer आता है ना, that is correct only in ideal situation. Because जो होती है, there are multiple different factors from which the rock is affected. जैसे heat can be transferred into surroundings, air वगैरह वगैरह blah blah. So that is the 17 है आंसर. 17 का B3 is the answer, which is some internal slash thermal energy lost to ground or air or work done to shatter the rock. Rock bounces and energy used to compress earth, ground, rock melts. अच्छा ठीक है. 18. 1. State the energy changes that are taking place as the bucket is being lifted at a constant speed. Bucket is being lifted at a constant speed. That means that the increase in gravitational potential energy because the bucket is being lifted up, right? But I don't know what the previous sort of energy was. It could be electrical, it could be chemical, because मुझे लगता है मैंने इसका जो कॉन्टेक्स्ट था ना वो मैंने इसको रिमूव कर दिया, इसका कॉन्टेक्स्ट रहा नहीं है. तो इट कुड बी इलेक्ट्रिकल, इट कुड बी केमिकल, राइट? तो देख लेते हैं. फ्रॉम केमिकल एनर्जी. अच्छा, केमिकल मतलब कोई बैटरी से एनर्जी निकली होगी, कोई भी एनर्जी हो सकती है केमिकल. अगर कोई बंदा अपने हाथों से पुल कर रहा है तो जो इंसानी बॉडी होती है उसमें केमिकल एनर्जी से हम लोग दूसरी एनर्जी फॉर्म्स बनाते हैं. जो ह्यूमन बॉडी होती है इससे केमिकल एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होती है, राइट? तो केमिकल एनर्जी से जीपीई प्रोड्यूस हो रही है, ग्रेविटेशनल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. अच्छा, अगर कोई रोप वगैरह यूज हो रही होगी तो दैट मीन्स कि फ्रिक्शनल एनर्जी भी यूज प्रोड्यूस हो रही होगी। फ्रिक्शनल एनर्जी मीन्स कि हीट वगैरह थर्मल होगी एनर्जी, दैट ऑल्सो विल कंट्रीब्यूट। State what can be deduced about the forces acting on the bucket when it is traveling upwards at a constant speed. When it is traveling at a constant speed, that refers to there being no resultant force, and when there is no resultant force, there is no acceleration. So, therefore, the speed is constant because there is no resultant force, and forces are balanced. Same thing. Yeah, so that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.